Got the Chrysler 300 5.7. Changing out power steering pump. O2 sensors. Now you got the 5/16. It's gonna always get all your bands off. Alright, got me that long neck here. We're gonna put that in there like this. I'm gonna slide it off of that one right there. Alright.
So that's what I was doing, shit I was doing. Up to no good, so
Alright, got this one off, this one loose. There's one more. You're gonna stick them through these little holes. The power steering. I'm on it. AC Delco 3/8 ratchet wrench, automatic. Get that on Amazon for like 50 bucks. Okay, that's the power steering. 18mm. There it goes. Alright, she's loose. More vice grips right there. I'll leave them on there. We're gonna go to get this. Oh, alright, guess I'm not leaving them on there. Gonna get this hose off. And we're gonna let this hose fall into that catch pan down there. All that good stuff. Just like that. Make sure they don't give us no new O-rings. Alright. We'll go ahead. We'll get this hose fastened in there. Don't forget your band for that one. Here it is. Alright. There it goes, right there. Okay. Finger thread first so you don't cross thread. Just like that. And then hand tighten a little. Nothing crazy. Roll it down. Hand tighten. That's cool. Roll it around. You should feel the bolt around here. Right there. Nothing crazy. That's cool. We'll refill this up. But now we're going to get those O2 sensors.